guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making a classic pecan pie with a secret ingredient, bourbon. This uses a refrigerated pie crust as a base, so anybody can do it. Let's get to it. So I'm gonna prick little holes all in the pie shell with a fork so that it doesn't bubble when we bake it. All right, let's make the filling. Can you turn the camera off so I can use my teeth to eat this off? Do 4 tablespoons. That spacing worked out perfect. Look at that. So good. The crust is nice and brown and it's set around the edges but still a little bit loose in the middle. So I think it's done. Refrigerated pie crust comes with 2 crusts and I didn't have a use for the second crust, so I made mini pie crust and minerals. Just pie crust and cinnamon sugar. I just had 3 of them. They're molten hot. Tastes like pie.